Hello everyone, welcome to Amazon. Hope you're all doing well. Today let us take a look at OnePlus Nord Buds 2R earbuds. Before we move on to its features, let us quickly take a look at the vibrant color options they come in. Deep grey and triple blue. They both look stunning, don't they? Now let us unbox these earbuds. We can find the OnePlus Nord Buds 2R, user guide and Nord emoji sticker, 4 ear tips, charging cable, safety and warranty card, all inside a frustration-free package. Let's look at its sound features. It is designed with a 12.4mm driver unit which delivers crisp, clear and enhanced bass quality sound experience. You get to choose how heavy or light you want your sound. With the help of Master Equalizers, 3 unique audio profiles, bold, balanced and bass. Coming to the mic, the OnePlus Nord Buds 2R has 2 mic AI so that you can talk with full clarity during calls even in a noisy environment. These earbuds have an impressive 38 hours of battery life. Moving on to its connectivity features. You can instantly pair it with a OnePlus smartphone as soon as you open the charging case lid. It also has Bluetooth 5.3 which helps to connect devices easily. Are you constantly worried about your earbuds getting wet? If yes, then we got you covered. These earbuds come with an IP55 water, sweat and dust resistance. So now you will be able to use your earbuds without any worry outside the house even during the rainy season. Still curious about why you should buy the OnePlus Nord Buds 2R earbuds? Well, here's a quick recap on its key features. 12.4mm driver unit, 38 hours playtime and 2 mic AI. Thank you for watching and keep shopping with Amazon.